My name is Ernesto Abrunha. I'm the product manager for NanoPosition sensors here at Zygo. The NanoPosition Sensors Group collaborates closely with our key customers to provide high-precision position measurements. One of the main applications in semiconductor is lithography, and in these tools, overlay is very important. Overlay is driven by how well you can position the wafer in these tools. And Zygo's been providing displacement measuring interferometers for these type of tools for decades. The accuracy of these products directly impacts the overlay performance of the lithography tools, therefore impacting its ability to produce chips and processors that are at smaller and smaller technology nodes. So a processor in 1985 ran at about 25 megahertz and cost about $600 in today's money. Today, you could buy a processor that's 100 times faster at half that cost. And that's enabled by the increasing performance of lithography tools, which we help enable. So Zygo actually contributes to the whole semiconductor manufacturing chain, measuring anything from through silicon vias and wafer bumps on nearly completed product to supporting position feedback on capital equipment like lithography tools and inspection tools. Customers come to us with what feel like impossibly small requirements to measure, and through a series of collaboration and deep engineering analysis, we have come up with solutions to make the impossible possible. So as the industry continues to go to smaller and smaller node sizes, the requirements on the overlay continue to get more challenging, and we collaborate with our key customers to meet them in the direction they're going and to deliver a higher performing product to meet those needs. So Zygo has several patented technologies and designs and algorithms which provide better performance for these systems. This is an experience you could only get from Zygo.
In most of our customer application, the reliability of this distance measurement interferometer is critical. In the past, this goes back, way beyond 10 years ago, maybe even 20. We often heard from customers that they experienced certain glitches, so system level interrupts that occurs randomly. And this has been a problem for a number of users. Zygo has designed certain capabilities into our products to basically eliminate that. Our products have been differentiated against our competitor by providing a reliable system-level solution. There are certain components that go into a displacement measuring system that is the heart of the system. We are fortunate to actually have that design and manufacturing capability here at Zygo, one being the acoustic optical modulator, as well as the laser tubes. Zygo is heavily involved in the semiconductor industry. For example, the lithography tool that the NanoPosition sensors are being used. We also supply products that enable advancement of those tools. For example, we'll use a very expensive lens to project the image to the wafer. Those lenses need to be qualified to the highest level, and that is where Zygo's large aperture interferometer, verifier, or MST, that type of interferometers get utilized. Also, for any kind of micro feature, like a roughness on the glass or any kind of a stage component, that is where our optical profilers, such as the NuView 9000, NX2, as well as the Z-Gauge are being used. So Zygo is involved in almost every aspect in the semiconductor lithography tool, as well as any process beyond the lithography. Those chips that go into your phone or any product, that's becoming finer, smaller patterns that get projected onto a chip. And in the past, there were certain errors that was never a problem. It was negligible. For example, turbulence of the air may not have been a problem 20 years ago. Now it's a significant problem. But we learn these problems. We provide solutions through the close relationship with our customer. The biggest advantage of Zygo starts with the people. Our humbleness to listen to our customer, work closely with our customers. We usually work with the customer a span of months or years before we even start providing a product. It is that close relationship, close communication that allows us to establish that relationship with the customer. It provides the opportunity for the customer to open up, start talking about their issues, as well as us starting to think about a solution. So it is really the relationship that allows us to be there.